We wanted to bring the very best in world photography to Wales.
Because I have insatiable curiosity, nosiness, if you want to do it, about things. And that's, it seems to me, one of the characteristics of most photographers that I admire. They're staggeringly nosy. And they want to go places, and they want to meet people. And the thing about photography is you have to be there to do it.
If you don't have the trust of the reader, you've lost it totally. And I think it's important, whether it's a portrait, a news picture or a sports picture, to be completely truthful to what you took in the camera. You can lighten it, darken it, shade it, whatever you like, but it's got to be exactly what you saw.
For me then, the transition to documentary photography really was my way out of thinking about myself and my feelings and my ideas quite so much, and really trying to look outwards and learn from the world.
I work with other photographers and I am extremely strict on this. You have to do your own things. I really want to do what your eyes are reporting. I don't care of another photocopy of the reality, and you have to come back with something that belongs to you.
A lot of people have seen a lot of images manipulated now, especially wildlife, and they just don't trust it anymore. I think trust is important because, you know, in business, people follow us as photographers. Amateurs look up to us, and so we have to set the standard and set the ethics, and we have a moral responsibility to do that.
And if there are photographers that are going to use Photoshop to actually manipulate, there is no truth anymore. There's no point in doing it.